Check, check, 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm recording this on Saturday night, but this will be released Sunday, October 8th. We're gonna do a review of what happened the previous week and go over what to expect ahead of us. So, first, I just want to show you guys I have a weekly chart here, and there's no drawings, so this is the weekly candle on ES we just closed and put in. What I think is very important is the doji we just put in. I think dojis are incredible because we managed to open here and range from here to here over 100 points and close almost right where we opened. So I will be watching this. I will be watching to see the next candle because we had a nice dip to a great area and we pulled back up. So let's just see if buyers can hold their bids below to cause a reversal. Now, to get to it, I'm just going to go through all of them like I normally do. So this is that monthly flip, 2-hour chart, monthly profiles. This is that monthly flip zone, previous resistance turned into support. We still haven't technically accepted below it. I don't count that as accepting, so I'm still strongly watching this level for us to truly accept below it. But if you want to see, this is the entire month of September, and then this is October with 2-hour bars. So pretty much perfectly balanced this month. Reclaim the move. The blue dot is last Sunday's glowback, so opened, went down, higher low, rallied Friday. Weekly profiles. This is all the volume. This shows volume from here to here. There's a low node right here, so I've been watching this, but basically not an inside week, but you can tell a lot of buying happened here, especially with POC being at the bottom of the weekly profile. So the dip was definitely bought, and I did say expect for buying to, if 300s failed, which they did, I'll show you on the chart that I was thinking about that, but I said if 300s fail, I'd like to see low 200s hold, and they definitely absorbed a lot of the selling from the low 200s. Now the question is, will they be able to continue to? Will the selling continue? We'll see. So these are daily profiles, black's RTH, gray's ETH, and clearly this is Friday, non-farm payroll in the morning, and then just the squeeze the entire day after. So the blue is the low volume, so we opened right here on Sunday glowbacks, and we basically, as I showed on the last one, just melted down half the week and reclaimed the other. I didn't really want to show this, but one thing I am watching on this chart is sorry guys. So this is all the volume from right here. Oops. This is all this volume. I am using the confluence from the low nodes in it to where it matches low nodes from Friday's RTH, and I'm going to look for that to trade into, but that's a whole nother video. So daily chart, daily candles, I have a lot of horizontal levels. I'm sorry, I just went over and did new ones, but so this is where we opened up last Sunday. Pretty much once again pushed down, dip. You see several wicks in a zone, so that's great to see. As I say, I feel like a broken record. This is the third video where I'm saying I'm keeping this wedge up in case we reclaim it. And last week I said that we were trying to hold the 200 MA, and that's a big line in the sand for longer term investors. So I don't consider us accepting below it yet, so that will be on watch. We went over last week. One more thing is where confluence, where we caught the bid at. This is all this volume is from what you see in the chart, so a year and a half of volume at price. We pretty much caught the bid at this point of control. So that's another thing I was looking out for. And the weekly one we went over. So once again, this previous channel and trend line, I'm just still keeping on the 4-hour in case we get back up to it. But weekly profile, this is where we open Sunday. Once again, meltdown, nice higher low, and this loose channel. Now we're going to zoom it down to the 2-hour. Nice dips. And the 30-minute. Now, as far as what's to come, I am going to be watching. In a bull case, I would like to see us reclaim this move and get back up to the 50 MA or at least this trend line. But first, we have to get past this 20 MA at 370. So, I'd like bull case, we must break 380 and 400. And we must hold 300. Bear case, I want to see us lose this 200 daily MA 300. So it pretty much still stands as last week. We must hold 300. For a downside target, you could look for 155 after that. I will expect a lot of absorption in this zone. And then once we break through it, to continue down further. So 200 weekly MAs at 200, so it's not far out of the picture, but I'm really confident about this hammer. I'm excited to see what's to come. So, but yeah, not too much else to go over. I have the data to expect. Monday we have no news. Tuesday we have no high impact news. We have an FOMC member speaking at the open, and then at 1 p.m. Eastern, Fed Waller speaking, 3-note auction, and at 1500 we have FOMC members speaking again. These are all medium impact. Wednesday, Thursday, we have high impact. The only days we have high impact. So Monday, no news. Tuesday, medium impact. Wednesday, we have PPI, core PPI, FOMC meeting minutes. So that will be huge. Thursday, another high impact day. We have core CPI, initial jobless claims. Friday, we just have medium impact with FOMC members speaking, export price index, Michigan consumer expectations, and you can see the rest. So, now I wasn't really gonna go over this because I like to keep these videos short because I just feel like a 10-minute mark's good, but if you guys want to see longer ones, let me know. But I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time. But really quick, we'll go over the VIX. On the weekly, it appears we're bottoming out. I like to see these wicks, so that tells me we've struggled, so I want to see us. The fact we haven't been able to break above that's good to keep the VIX down and the volatility down. Now SPY is interesting. Maybe it's NQ. We'll go over SPY. So SPY weekly. So the ES weekly, you saw that it's a hammer. The SPY weekly, that it totally engulfed that. So that's also bullish to me on a flip zone. I like to see that. So. And then the daily, beautiful engulfing as well. One thing I like doing is comparing SPY, the S&P 500, to the S&P 500 equal weight. So this is every company in the S&P just weighted equally. And you can see the difference. The equal weight is definitely melting down more. We had a rally that... Okay. I like to look at this once in a while because even though the Nasdaq's the tech one, the S&P 500 still has a boatload of tech in it. So I like to see if get an idea if just tech's moving the market or not. And Was it QQQ? Okay, QQQ. Once we put these two pivots in, I threw this retracement zone with the 50%, 50%, and 61.3% golden zone, and still haven't accepted out of it, so I'll definitely be watching that. And once again, QQQ, beautiful weekly candles. So yeah, really, this chart looks really nice. Would love to see a little, where is it? Oil. I waited forever for this. I drew this zone from November in about May. And we actually came and touched it. I didn't realize when we were in it right away. It slowly accumulated. Last week was a horrible week for oil. Put in that topping signal on the weekly. So yeah, there's that. If there's any other tickers like Tesla or anything people want me to go over, let me know. But hope everyone has a great rest of their weekend and a great trading week. Let's get it, you guys. Thank you.